Okay guys, without losing too much time, we're gonna remove this tie rod. We're gonna remove these two bolts that hold the front strut, and we're gonna remove these little bolts here that holds the brake hose line and the wheel speed sensor. First, I'm gonna spray some WD-40 to ease the job. It's a 10 mil. This is a little bracket that holds the wheel speed sensor. We just remove to take it out of the way. Now we proceed to remove this brake hose line from this location, so it's easy to remove the front strut. We'll remove the tie rod now. First removing the safety pin. I'm not using any power tool because 17 mil. Most of you, I suppose you don't have any power tools, so it doesn't make sense using a air gun if we don't have access to those tools in a regular garage. Tap with the hammer to loosen it, the tie rod. Some people use this special tool, but in my case I don't have it. You can easily do it with a hammer. We're going to loosen it, the nuts, the bottom one and the top one that hold the strut. Use a pin and with a hammer to remove the bolt. Never put your finger inside. I have a friend that he put a finger and currently he has only 4 fingers. Now we're gonna remove the top 3 bolts that make kind of triangle shape. Don't remove the middle one unless you want to have an accident. 14 mil. Now the front strut is good to go. Take it off. I tried to remove the oil strut from the coil, but it was impossible. The design on my Honda Civic is it doesn't have many coils, spirals to hold it, so I had to take it to a workshop to interchange the front strut to the new one. Very important, we have a letter mark left and right. Left needs to be aligned with the bracket in the bottom. Normally you have a mark there, and this is the right side. You need to align the right mark, and as you can see it goes aligned with the bracket in the bottom. To install it back, it's pretty easy. It's just a video installing. Put the 3 nuts in the top. Put the 2 bolts on the bottom. Install the tire rod back. Or drive your car, make sure everything is tight and safe. Thank you for watching, mate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care.